Oh, hi, my people, what's up? Time now for inspection, hive inspections. Okay, hive inspection, yeah, that's it. So now I'm checking where the bees which had colonized these beehive moved. So what I've noted is kuna tu insect tudogo. I don't really know what they are called. In our language we call them nduti. Nazitanga nduti. So they had invested this hive. And also finds there's some things in here. Some, do I call them cobwebs? But normally in this beehive business we call them wax moths. They build in these small spaces, these hidden areas. Yeah, so that's more like it. Time to inspect. So, talking a little bit about these beehives. These are Langstroth type of beehives. They start up. You see bees, divider, the wire mesh divider. It acts. Kizungu. It works to exclude the queen from moving from the brood to the super. So the queen, after the bees enter the beehive through this small entrance, they'll make this brooder. They'll make this brooder their home. This is where they'll store everything. They'll store their food, and it's where the queen will be laying the eggs. And when she starts to lay, she really does lay. She can really populate this hive in a very short span of time, so long as there's enough food to have queen jelly. Because the queen feeds on royal jelly and some special food. So the queen and the people, let's call them that. The queen and the colony will be on the lower side. She will be on the lower side of this beehive. Then on the upper side, the normal worker bees can go through that wire mesh. You see? So zinaweza penya. The queen is big, cannot go through that small wire mesh hole, but the worker bees are small in size. So utapata zinapenya going up. So they'll now go up, make the honey now from up here. So yeah. So maybe because now what bees do is, what they're trying to do is keep their food, store their food. So for us human beings, we are intruders and we are invaders in their territory. So ni kuiba tunawaibia. We're stealing from bees. We're stealing from them. So on the top is this kamabati. Hope you can see. The kamabati is just to prevent rain and also to act as a reflector to sun. Bees don't like too much of sun, because now that's why you'll find them traditionally in trunks of trees. Wale wazee wa kitambo, they will do those old version beehives, because that wooden frame keeps bees cool. You'll find when it's too hot, they are flapping their wings. So this one, see, it's a bit shiny. Excuse me. It's shiny, so during sunshine, it will reflect back. What were physics? I hope you're getting that. It will reflect back sun. And yes, during rain season, it acts as the roof. So now for this, it's not yet colonized. I fixed it yesterday. I think you saw the video. So the reason as to why I didn't want to wait until the brooder is colonized is, well, I'm giving it chances, expecting that they'll come, colonize, and stay. So I'll not have another day to come and fix the supers. So that's more like it about the beehive.